In 1990, two men walked into Boston's Gardner Museum and pulled off the greatest art heist in history. They weren't master criminals, just two guys in fake police uniforms. At 1:13 in the morning, they knocked on the door, told the security guard they were responding to a disturbance call. The guard believed them, let them inside. Big mistake. Within minutes, both guards were handcuffed in the basement. For the next 81 minutes, these thieves moved through the museum like they owned it. They knew exactly what to take. Cut a priceless Vermeer right out of its frame, grabbed Rembrandt's worth millions, 13 masterpieces total, $500 million in art. Then they vanished into the night. 34 years later, not a single piece has been recovered. The FBI has followed thousands of leads, offered $10 million in rewards. The empty frames still hang on the museum walls today, waiting for paintings that may never come home. The perfect crime that's still perfect.